Coffee with the money movement time. I heard a quote from Alex Hormozy that I really liked. It goes, if it doesn't serve you, why are you singing? Or something like that. I'm paraphrasing here. But that's a good question you should ask yourself. If you constantly think, oh, I'm lazy or I'm just bad with money, have you ever heard of a self-fulfilling prophecy? And you're probably not serving yourself well. Now, if you say you're good with money, that probably also won't serve you well when you go out and blow money on a bunch of crap. But ingrain that thought in your head instead of I'm bad with money or I'm always late, and think to yourself, I'm going to be on time early, in fact, and strive to meet that goal. That way you can live longer, feel better, and that life to your